What's up, guys? I'm wrenching on my snowmobile a little bit today. I'm gonna be replacing the headlight because the one I got now, all the chrome is worn out inside of the housing. Jesus, this place is a mess. So I can't see very well when I ride the trails. So my grandfather picked me up this headlight at some place over in Syracuse that sells a ton of stuff for older sleds, because it's pretty much impossible to get parts for this. So what I'm doing is I'm getting to these Phillips head screws right here, and these go to a spring in the back. So you can also adjust how your headlight shines with these. I'll probably end up testing this over at Austin's house tomorrow. Getting the trailer all set. Went to the DMV today and paid them so my sled could be registered, so I slapped the new stickers on it. Got the light out. It's pretty foggy in there, pretty old. This one's definitely a lot clearer. It'll reflect a lot better. Got my headlight installed, and I wish I could have filmed more, but it took like 2 people, both our hands, to get these springs in with the screws, and it was a pain in the ass, so I really didn't film it. But that's in, and I didn't put the light bar on because I didn't really have time. It was like 11 o'clock. But gonna put some oil in it and set off to go to Austin's and ride around his little property. He's got a drainage ditch over there that I blew up my my pit bike in. So hopefully we'll be able to build like a jump or something and rip around. Should be fun. So I'm loaded up and ready to go. I'm heading to Austin's with the sled, and we're gonna rip around, build a jump hopefully. I don't think anybody else will hit it, but I'll hit it. You ready to ride, boy? Okay. God damn it, John. Get the fuck out the way, kid. What the fuck? Oops, excuse me. Sorry, you penis fans. Alright, so we got Austin trying out the snowmobile. I don't know if he's ever ridden one.
First time.
First time. Alright, let's see how he does. He has played Sled Storm on PS1, so he has some background knowledge. Alright, pull the thing over. Let's see if you got enough man to pull over 440 cc's.
First try. Wow. I am. It's not to hold it back. This thing feels right.
Does it? Do you want my goggles, or are you good like that?
Let's go.
Yeah, go ahead. You like it? Oh yeah. bike. Right? Yeah? Let's rip.
Awesome recovery.
Around on the pit bike and the sled, and we've hit about every jump, so now we're gonna try something different. I got a big rope tied up to that slippery sled, and I've got a 13-year-old tied up to it, and he's 14, very sorry.
Shut up, pussy.
So we're gonna pull him around, and I'll gauge his abilities. If he's good, I'm gonna throw him off. Stay tuned.
Pussy. Excuse me. You're dumb and you're ugly.
Yo, on second thought, let's give him the helmet with the goggles. Yeah, we're gonna do that. Oh. Oh.
And here comes a fucking slut.
Got the pit bike all loaded up. Got the sled on the trailer. Ready to go home. Ran pretty good today. This thing runs really well. I'm probably going to change the spark plug soon because that's what you got to do once in a while. But other than that, it's really good.